Hello, this is Ronak Kotecha and welcome to my channel. Here there is no nonsense, only nonsense. In more bad news for suspended Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Hindurao Vaze, the Special National Investigation Court in Mumbai has extended his custody till Wednesday, April 7th and directed the NIA to provide all medical aid to him. Earlier, Sachin Vaze had filed a one-page application before the court stating that he has chest pain and 90% blockages in his heart. His advocate Ronak Nayak said they have sought a consultation with a cardiologist in order to decide the future course of medical treatment for Sachin Vaze. Earlier in the day, the NIA seized another high-end car allegedly used by Sachin Vaze. This time, it's a white-colored Mercedes which has been found from Panvel, and it becomes the 8th vehicle seized in the investigation so far. In some more bad news for Sachin Vaze, the Mumbai police is reviewing all the cases that he was investigated before he got arrested in connection with the Ambani House bomb scare case. Sachin Vaze was part of some important investigations like the TRP case, the fake social media followers case, and the two cheating cases registered against celebrity car designer Dilip Chhabria last December. Sources said that the Mumbai Police Crime Branch will file a charge sheet in the second case against Chhabria before April 12th. When Sachin Vaze was investigating the Chhabria case, he had mentioned that apart from the car designer, the police would question 3 non-banking financial companies that had allegedly provided him loans without valid paperwork. But the sources now say that apart from probing just one NBFC employee who had applied for anticipatory bail before the court, the Crime Intelligence Unit may not be too keen on expanding the scope of the investigation in this case. Similarly, in the TRP case, where at least 5 channels were alleged to have paid money to boost their ratings, the crime branch had told the court that it will complete the investigation within 3 months and decide whether Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami should be charged in the case. While the CIU had named the owner of Republic as a wanted accused, it has not named Arnab Goswami per se as an accused in this case. Besides, sources said that even the scope of investigation into the fake social media followers scam case in which pop singer Badshah had been summoned will not be expanded any further. You might remember this is the same case where marketing agencies were alleged to be providing fake followers to many celebrities. An officer said, "We are reviewing the cases that Sachin Vaze probed and will bring them to their logical conclusion based on the evidence that is available. The scope of investigations will not be widened any further." Shrugging off any concerns about the impact on these cases because of Sachin Vaze's arrest, the officer said, while Sachin Vaze may have been part of the investigating team for these cases, he was not the investigating officer in these cases who has to depose before the court. The officer added that there will be also a rethink whether the CIU would be registering cases and conducting more investigations into these cases. Now, as part of the police reshuffle, Inspector Milind Kathe has been made the in charge of the Crime Intelligence Unit following Sachin Vaze's arrest. Moreover, the CIU is also facing a staff crunch as at least 5 of its employees have been summoned by the NIA in connection with its investigation into the Ambani House bomb scare case. Sachin Vaze has been in the NIA's custody for 22 days so far, and now as he continues to be in the custody at least till April 7th, one can argue that his career and reputation are pretty much over. What are your thoughts on this fast developing story? We can chat on Instagram. My handle is @reviewron. Subscribe here if you find my videos worth it, but even if you don't do any of this, thank you so much for watching as always.